In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for social media management. We're going to set up a simple, effective Trello board that helps you plan, schedule, and track your social content with confidence. I'll walk you through creating the board, organizing lists, adding tasks as cards, and enhancing those tasks with dates, labels, and completion status. By the end, you'll have a clean workflow that makes your social media planning more visual and much easier to manage. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Log into your account, and from the top navigation, click on Boards. This is where all your boards live, and it's the perfect place to create a brand new space just for social media. Click Create New Board. A setup window will appear. Choose a background you like. A clean, contrasting background makes your lists and cards easier to read. Next, give your board a name. Type Social Media Management. Keep names simple and descriptive so it's obvious to you and your team what this board is for. Now, confirm which workspace this board belongs to. Click the Workspace selector and choose the workspace where you collaborate on marketing or content. It's important your board lives where your team can access it. Before creating the board, take a moment to review visibility. You'll see options like Private, Public, and Workspace. Click Private to see that it restricts access only to people you invite. Click Public to preview what it would mean to make the board viewable by anyone. For most social media workflows, especially if they include internal plans, private or workspace visibility is safer. Click Workspace if you want everyone in your workspace to see it by default. Choose the level that best matches your security needs, remembering that any public board could be visible beyond your team. You'll also notice an option to start with a template. If you want inspiration, you can browse templates that include pre-built lists and sample cards. Whether you choose a blank slate or decide to start from a template, when you're ready, click Create. Your board is now live. Let's build the core structure of your workflow. Trello boards are made of lists, and lists hold cards. For a simple content pipeline, we'll use 3 lists: to do, doing, and done. In the first empty list field, type to do and press enter or click to confirm. This list will capture everything that needs attention but hasn't started yet. Next, click add another list. Type doing and confirm. This is where you keep the items you're currently working on. Then, add a third list titled done. Confirm that as well. These 3 lists create a clear path that makes it easy to see progress at a glance. Now, let's add cards for the content and tasks you're planning. Under the to-do list, click plus add a card. Type do a TikTok video and confirm. Add another card in the to-do list and type meeting with manager. Confirm that one as well. Click plus add a card again and type shoot for commercial. Confirm. Keep card titles short and action-oriented. You can always open a card later to add details. With your cards in place, shift your focus to tracking time and adding clarity. Click on the doing list to focus on it, then open the meeting with manager card. Inside the card, click dates. Pick a due date that works. For this walkthrough, select the 30th on the calendar. Click save so the date is set. Dates help you coordinate content milestones, approvals, and publishing timelines. Next, click labels. Labels are color-coded tags that add visual meaning. Click the green label to apply it. You can use green to indicate priority, content type, or a specific platform, whatever helps your team scan the board quickly. If you want, you can rename labels later to match your workflow. When you're done, close the label window, then close the card with the X in the upper right to return to the board. Back on your board, open the Do a TikTok video card. Click Dates again, and this time choose the 17th on the calendar to set an earlier milestone. Next, click the Due Date Reminder dropdown. Choose None if you don't want Trello to send notifications about this deadline. This can be useful if you plan to manage reminders elsewhere or you just want to keep the board quiet. Click Save, then close the card with the X. You'll notice that cards with due dates show a badge right on the card. Many Trello setups let you mark a due date as complete when you finish the task. On the Do a TikTok video card, click Mark Complete on the due date badge to toggle it to completed. This gives you a quick green indicator that the task reached its deadline successfully, and it helps you distinguish finished items from those still in progress. Open the Shoot for Commercial card to review, or add details if needed. Things like shot lists, concepts, or locations can all go into card descriptions or checklists. Close the card when you're done. If you want to confirm the status of the TikTok video task, click back into Do a TikTok video and verify that the due date remains marked complete. If it's not, click Mark Complete again. Consistency here helps keep your board accurate when you glance at it. To wrap up this pass, open Meeting with Manager to review the due date and see that the green label is in place. Labels, due dates, and concise titles work together to make each card self-explanatory. That way, when someone opens the board, they can immediately understand what's happening and what's coming next. A few quick tips as you continue working in this board. Keep your card titles clear and specific, and add descriptions or checklists inside cards when a task has multiple parts. Use labels consistently to represent platforms, content types, or priorities. Picking a system and sticking to it saves time later. Dates are most helpful when every card that needs a timeline actually has one. This prevents surprises and keeps your content cadence steady. If you're collaborating with others, choose the appropriate visibility you reviewed earlier and invite teammates to the board or workspace so they can participate. And remember that you can always change backgrounds, visibility, and labels later as your process evolves. What you've built here is a simple, reliable workflow for social media management. Capture upcoming tasks in to do, focus on active work in doing, and celebrate progress in done. Add cards as ideas arise, schedule them with dates, use labels to categorize at a glance, and mark due dates complete when you finish. This combination delivers clarity without complexity, which is exactly what you need to keep content on track week after week. That's it for setting up Trello for social media management. With this board in place, you'll be able to see your pipeline, stay on top of deadlines, and collaborate without confusion. Thanks for following along, and happy planning!